This is problem 1 which is asked in 2015 mathematics. Right, let us check out this. Right, it is estimate the difference of 879 and 338 to the nearest 100. So, right, so we have to estimate the difference of 879 minus 338. Then we are supposed to, whatever the answer we are going to get, that we are supposed to estimate to the nearest 100. Correct? Let us go with this. So 9 minus 8 is 1, correct? 7 minus 3 is 4, 8 minus 3 is 5. The answer what we got is 541, but we are supposed to estimate to nearest 100. So nearest 100, see now check out here. If it is 0, estimation scale, you know that 0 to 100, right? 50. If it is 50 and above, the value is 50 and above, you are supposed to estimate to the 100. If the value is less than 50, then you are supposed to estimate to the 0. So now 541 is here. 541, where exactly it will come? So this is 500, 550 and as well as 600, right? So this 541 is here, right? 541. So you are supposed to estimate to 500. The answer here is 500.